Let's go.
Lift. Good. Hover. Hover higher, Vince. Hold. Hold. Lower. I'm gonna let go. Let go, and whenever you're ready, Vince, go ahead. You're good, Ty.
Let's go.
There it is. Alright. I got it, I got it. Bring it down, Vince. Motor's killed.
Alright.
This way. Alright, so we're doing some weights on here. We put some pennies on.
Should we do it on the other side?
Go ahead,
Just
Vince.
to get like the string to the drum.
So yesterday we went out, we tried the banner. I don't even know if the settings are on this little thing here. I'm going to try to find the cat as well. Yesterday we went to a park over in Perth Amboy. It's a typical spot where you go to fly, a nice open lot, just to test out this mechanism. And we're going to be using this for an advertisement in about a week or so. So right now we're just kind of testing to see if it works. Round one definitely went better than planned. And I think that round two will be a lot better. And we're hoping by round three we could potentially be shooting the ad. So this is an update, and stay tuned for some more weekly updates. Next week we'll try round two and let you know.